Sometimes, when I come downstairs to paint, I get a little bit overwhelmed. I've got quite a few models piling up in my backlog. Some people call it a pile of shame. I like to think of it as a pile of potential. Maybe I want to paint a Space Marine. This guy looks pretty cool. He's got a lot of neat details. Do I want to make a video about him? I don't know. Maybe. Or do I want to paint something else? Maybe I want to paint this elf that I picked out a while ago. Maybe not. Maybe I'll save her for later. Maybe I want to paint another clone trooper. This guy's pretty neat. But I don't know. Maybe I'm not feeling it today. I've got a lot of models piling up on my shelf. I tend to build things and at least get them primed, but I don't always make it a lot further than that. Sometimes I do. I have a few things painted. Here's some battle droids I printed. Here's a whole bunch of Stormtroopers that I've either collected or printed over the years. Quite a few of them, actually. I don't even play Empire. Why do I have this many Stormtroopers? I think a lot of hobbies have this, not necessarily a problem, but you tend to collect a lot of things over the years. And sometimes you just gotta jump right in. So I'm gonna be painting a Stormtrooper. I've got a lot of Stormtroopers, so I could paint a lot of these guys, but I'm gonna keep things simple. Sometimes you just need to jump in and paint something. Just paint. So this should be a pretty quick paint job. Starting off with some of the details on his armor here. Getting some of his, undersuit and his holster. He's already been primed. I prime a lot of my models ahead of time. I'll tend to do it in batches and prime 10 or 15 guys at the same time. I did a zenithal highlight with him. Primed him black and then sprayed some, I believe, bold titanium white from above, which, as you can see, is very, very white. He's going to have some nice, shiny Stormtrooper armor. Carefully painting in the soles of his shoes here. This is probably one of the more difficult parts, assuming I don't want to get any on the floor panels here, but I'm not going to be too upset if I do. I can always just come back with some gray later and fix it. That's one of the nice things about mini painting is it is really easy to come back and fix some of your mistakes. You can come back and paint back over the white with more white. If I get a little bit of black on it, it's okay. Not a big deal. This is a Stormtrooper I 3D printed, along with about 50 more. Not entirely sure why. Darkfire Designs made this model, and quite a few like it. They've got some pretty fantastic models over there. This is not a sponsored video or anything, but I really like their models, and when I saw these Stormtroopers, I just wanted to print a bunch of them. I don't have any need for 50 Stormtroopers. Maybe I'll start an Empire army eventually, but I just wanted to print and paint some of these guys. So here I guess I am. I'm finally painting some. It only took me about 10 or 15 minutes to paint in all the black details of his undersuit and some of the little bits of his armor. This guy went pretty quick. I could probably go faster if I was trying to batch paint and do, 5 or 10 Stormtroopers at the same time. Like, I could probably crank some of these guys out. But I'm not really worried about that right now. I just wanted to paint a model. Something simple. Trying out a little bit of a new editing style. I don't know if I'll use it all the time, but I'm hoping it'll help me get some videos out a little bit faster for you guys. And maybe help me get through my backlog of videos as well. I actually have a lot of footage recorded of different miniatures I've painted that I just have not had the time to edit. I haven't had the time to make it into a video. But there's also a lot of times that I just don't know what kind of video to make with it. Here you might notice I've actually switched to a little bit of a smaller brush. Some of these details, some of these gaps are really small, and so having a finer brush, a thinner brush to actually get in there is helpful. I still got a little bit on the shoulder pads, but like I said before, really easy to come back in and clean some of this up. Just paint some white back over it. No big deal. A lot of times when I come down here to paint, I feel like I'm wasting my time if I'm not recording. I feel like I need to turn it into a video, that I need to make a tutorial out of it. But I'll be honest, a lot of times when I'm painting something, I'm not necessarily thinking about a tutorial. That makes it exponentially harder to paint something when I am trying to force it into a tutorial. And sometimes it's easier to just sit down and paint, like this Stormtrooper. This isn't really a tutorial. This is, I don't know, maybe a life lesson video for myself in a way. Maybe this will help me not try to be such a perfectionist with my videos. I had one video kind of go semi-viral. It has a little over 100,000 views now, which is exceptionally good for a channel of my size. You may have seen it. It actually might be one of the reasons you found my channel, but it is my video on washes. It's kind of geared towards beginners, and it's really just kind of geared towards the types of washes that you might get in a starter miniature paint set. I don't really go into detail on oil washes or anything like that, but and it's not even like the only way to use a wash. It's just a video on washes, and it did really well. It kind of exploded in views, and after that video, I for a while felt like I needed to make all of my videos to that quality. Like I had to somehow make every one get 100,000 views after that, and that really wasn't happening. I was trying so hard and spending so much time and not making great videos. I kept like overthinking it and kind of going into like analysis paralysis, where I was just like, I have to make this perfect. I have to make such a good video, and I have to get 100,000 views. And I don't really think that's how it works. I don't think that's how I work. And so I took a step back. It's been a couple of months since my last video, and I kind of just sat down and thought to myself, like, I just need to make videos. I need to have fun with it again. I need to just make some simple stuff and yeah, paint a Stormtrooper. So that's what this is, painting a Stormtrooper. I'm finally back to fixing some of the mistakes, and as you'll notice, I spent some extra time fixing the mistake on his crotch, fixing his helmet here. But yeah, this Stormtrooper is just about done. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying this slightly different editing style. It may not be perfect, but it's done. It's a video, and it's a finished Stormtrooper. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy painting.